See, tell to your classmates that here afterwards, day one morning session will be your lab. There's a slight change in timetable. Okay. Last time I gave concession to those who missed the lab class. Here afterwards, from today onwards, I won't give that concession.
Okay, ma'am. This time on the order one there will be lab class compulsory.
You inform to the other people who who are missing, telling that they don't know all those excuses that they are giving. That I will not accept from today. Suraj has joined, huh? Suraj. You are having some problem in speech. Suraj. I'm hearing so much crack from your side.
Suraj just type in chat.
Okay, we'll begin the lab class. Okay, last class, what is the experiment that you have tried? Somebody should tell me the answer.
Ma'am, we performed LVDT experiment.
LVDT experiment you performed. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
while submitting, you have to submit both LVDT and strain gas together. All right, as a single experiment. I think I have opened the assignment date already. Only LVDT you should not submit. Okay, LVDT plus strain gas together you have to submit as a single experiment. This is for your instruction. All right. So LVDT part already we have finished. Now today we will continue with doing a strain gauge experiment. So you have to go to what site as usual?
Sensor lab virtual lab.
Sensor lab. virtual lab. Okay, same way how to proceed like you proceeded in the earlier case. So I have already opened the virtual lab sensor lab. Okay. All are able to see the screen, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, already who did this characterize the LVDT. Today we are going to do the experiment characterize the strain gauge sensor. So I am clicking on it. And as usual, you are having aim part, pre-lab, theory, simulator procedure, so on. So I'm going to directly proceed to the experiment part. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Now, before that, let me give a small
Ma'am, I'm
introduction
not
about
on
that.
my
What,
ma'am, I'm
ma'am?
not on my PC. Ma'am, I'm
Not?
not on my computer. Then how should I do?
No matter whether you are in computer, you can use your mobile phone also, no problem. Okay. All are able to see the word file that I'm showing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
today you are going to do the strain gauge. You already know that LVDT belongs to what category of transducer? LVDT belongs to what category of transducer? Electrical or non-electrical? Resistive, inductive,
Electrical.
capacitive? What category does it belong?
It is electromechanical transducer.
What electromechanical transducer? Resistive, inductive, or capacitive? Which type?
Inductive.
Inductive. So it converts what energy to what energy?
Converts motion of an object into electrical
Electrical
signal.
output. So the core displacement is being converted into electrical output. So same
Yes,
way,
ma'am.
today we are going to discuss another type of transducer that is called a strain gauge. Like we are saying that LVDT is an inductive transducer. What can you say about the strain gauge? Strain gauge belongs to what category? Resistive, inductive, or capacitive? Which one? Electrical or non-electrical? Which one? Already we have seen all these things in theory class. There is no necessity of you to keep mum. What type is it? I will show you the diagram. At least after then you should be able to answer. So this is the diagram for strain gauge. So what type? Resistive, capacitive, or inductive? Resistive, capacitive, or inductive? Always I tell you people, you should open your mouth and answer. Even if the answer is wrong, I don't care. I want people to respond. Then what's the hesitation? What is the type of the transducer? Strain gauge. Are you people able to hear me or not?
Resistive.
Resistive. Okay, so you can see in this diagram that I am circling, you are having what here? What is the name that is
Full
given to the
bridge
sphere? Full
circuit.
bridge strain gauge circuit. So this is like a Wheatstone bridge, all right, which is having 4 arms. You can have a full bridge or half bridge or quartile bridge, it depends. Here this picture shows a full bridge circuit and the strain gauge will be connected here in the arm and you are going to give a supply voltage of plus 5 volt and output voltage you are going to measure and that will be amplified because the strength of the output signal will be very low. So you will give it to the amplifier circuit and then you will be getting a strong signal at the output side. Okay. So strain gauge already we have discussed the different types. One is unbonded, one is bonded type. Okay, wire gauge. Everything we have discussed in the theory class. So what energy conversion does it do? Strain gauge. LVDT converts core displacement into electrical signal. What about the strain gauge?
Force into electrical.
Force into electrical.
Strain.
How force? Force means okay. Force or pressure if you are applying to a particular material. Okay, that material will be getting deformed. When that deformation happens, it will be subjected to strain or stress. So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
strain or stress will result in what? Dimensional change. Dimensional change means What will happen?
There will be displacement.
Dimensional change means displacement means what? Dimensional change I pinpoint. Okay, so dimension means what are the dimensions of a particular material in general? What is the
Length
equation for the resistance?
V
Resistance. R is
is
equal
equal
to,
to rho.
okay,
R is equal to rho AT.
okay. So you know that R, okay, I cannot do it here. So R is equal to rho L by A1 equation is there. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I will try it in a Jamboard. Wait.
R is equal to rho L by
Rho L by A. So you finally you are saying that the strain gauge is your resistive transducer. So what will happen eventually is change in resistance. So how the change in resistance happens is because of the change in the dimensions. That is,
yes, ma'am.
the L value or A value will quite change. Okay, there will be a change in the length. All right. When it is subject to tension or compression, accordingly length will increase or decrease. So there will be a change in length. L will be changing from L to DL, and accordingly R will be changing from original R value to change in resistance, that is DR. All right. So that is why this type of transducer is called as resistive transducer, electrical transducer, and it basically converts given force or pressure into
Electrical
strain,
quantities
into
into strain.
change in length, into electrical
Strain.
output. Okay. So the same thing you are going to do it in virtual lab. So before going into that, let us discuss what are the things that you have to record in the tabular column. So what are the things that are shown in the tabular column? You are able to see the table now. What are
Yes,
the things
ma'am.
that are displayed in that table
Waiting,
columns?
Weight and
First thing is weight.
measure.
Okay,
reading
in
and
grams
value.
see they have given, but you have to put it in kilogram. All right, because in virtual lab there is no gram indication, so you change all to kilogram values. Okay, then voltage measured. Okay, there will be a formula with the help of which you will be calculating the voltage. Okay, so these two only you have to tabulate. Other readings you skip.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
all right. Don't ask me again the same doubt. Only the kilogram weight, and there will be a formula with the help of which you will be calculating the electrical output that you calculated. And if possible, one more time. Okay, voltage measured also you do. Any two readings you display reading you skip. All right. So these are the things that you have to record. There is no graph that you are supposed to plot here, but in virtual lab you can do that. All right. So
Okay,
understood
ma'am.
what you are supposed to do?
Yes, ma'am. Would you please tell of the table?
Table, weight you have to enter. Okay, weight in kilogram you have to enter. Then there is a formula by which you will be calculating the output voltage that you calculate. So calculated value you have to fill. Then calculated value will be equal to voltage measured only. Okay, so display reading column alone you skip.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that you will enter only when you are doing it with the kit. All right, now kit is not possible. So you skip this display reading table, okay,
Okay,
column.
ma'am.
All right, now we will go to that virtual lab. So I am clicking simulator. All are doing the same thing. Today
Yes.
also I will ask you people to present again individual screen of yours.
Ma'am, can you start from again because I was absent in previous class?
Okay, so right from Google I will start. Okay, go to Google. Type in Google sensor lab virtual. Okay, understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sensor lab virtual you click. Then automatically that list of experiments you can go to. For your listed experiment syllabus, you are having LVDT and strain gauge put together. That's all. No RTD. Other things are not. So we will skip other things. So now we are going to do characterize the strain gauge sensor. I have clicked characterize the strain gauge sensor. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I means, we are going to calculate the given strain and via which you are going to give an electrical output measure. All right, this is pre-lab. This is general theory about strain gauge. This is procedure how we will proceed in a simulator. This is post-lab question. So directly I will go to simulator. Okay, now click here for simulator. The rest in class are you able to follow or not?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, again I'm telling you, at the end of the class I will ask everybody to present your screen. In case if individual people are not able to present, you will be marked absent as a punishment.
Okay, ma'am.
So proceed along with
Okay,
me.
ma'am.
So one page is opened. All have got that page opened.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are able to see one bridge arrangement, na?
Yes.
Okay, in this you are going to
Yes, ma'am.
select, you are going to configure the measurement arrangement. So the different materials whose stress or strain you are going to calculate are listed here. So what are the various materials that are available?
Copper, constant,
Copper,
annual,
constant,
constant,
and
tungsten,
Yes, you
titanium.
can pick your own material, no problem. Okay, you are having a wide choice. So I am picking annual constant. So you can pick copper or tungsten, it's your own choice. Okay. And there are two choices that are given for input voltage. What are the two choices that are given?
5 and 10.
5 and 10. So you can make your own choice here also. So I'm choosing 5. Resistance also different choices are given. Okay. As soon as I give the parameters, you can see some changes are happening in the diagrammatic arrangement. Are you able to observe?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have fixed up the input voltage. So that is the indication. So tell me what resistance will we pick? Anything you can pick. That is
350.
350. That is R. Okay. Make a note. That is R. Resistance is 350 that I am picking. Make a note. That is capital R. Okay. So now also you can observe some changes are being made. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So that is what indication, what notation is used for resistance?
R.
R.
R is what value?
350.
350 ohms.
350. Next, what are the different configurations that are possible? I told you earlier, you can have quarter bridge, half bridge,
Full
opposite arms,
bridge.
or full bridge. So what bridge you want to pick?
Ma'am, half bridge opposite arms.
Half bridge, opposite arms. Okay, so you can see, where the strain gauge is being placed. Are you able to
Yes,
observe?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the gauge factor also different options are given. You can pick your own options. What factor you want to pick?
5.5.
5.5. Already I have told you what is the formula for gauge factor or gauge sensitivity in class, I think. So I think change in resistance divided by change in length or something. Do you remember?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
remember or not remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So I have picked the material, I have picked the input voltage, I have picked the resistance, I have picked the configuration of the bridge, Wheatstone bridge, gauge factor, everything I have picked. I will configure. Okay. All right. So whatever selection you have made, that is popping up now. So I am clicking yes. Next. So this is the bridge arrangement to which you are giving the input voltage. So you can see at the bottom, a cantilever beam is there. Are you able to observe?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a cantilever beam under which you are doing what here?
Ma'am, weight is attached.
Weight is attached. So if you go on increasing the weight, what will happen to the material?
Resistance will change.
It will
Dimension
also
will be.
resistance.
You have to start with the strain. Okay. So once
Yes,
if we
ma'am.
add extra weight over extra weight, the material will be subjected to strain via this cantilever beam. Okay, which you are going to measure with the help of this Wheatstone
Strain
bridge.
gauge.
So I am picking 0.5 kilogram, that is 500 gram. Okay. So what is the value of the RG? That is display
350.02.
350. So you have to measure, you have to make a note of this RG value, weight value, etc. So next thing that it tells is you enter the output voltage in millivolt. So you don't know the value, that you have to calculate with the help of the formula. So there is a formula button, no? Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
You click on it. Another pop-up window will open. Are you able to see the different formulae?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in which you are to calculate the output voltage. Now, what bridge have you picked?
Half bridge with opposite
Half
arms.
bridge. So, what is the formula for it?
Half into dr by r into E.
Yeah, this is the formula that you are going to use. Half into dr by r into E. So, what is E?
Voltage applied.
Oh, so, how much voltage have you applied? 5 or 10?
5.
5.
Five,
So,
ma'am,
that you
five.
have to substitute here. Half already you know. What is dr and r? What is the formula for dr and r? R
For
is already fixed. What is the value of R?
350.
350. Okay, so
350,
now the
ma'am.
unknown value is dr only. So easy way that you can calculate dr is using this formula. So you know what are the parameters that are known to you in
Rg
this
minus
formula.
R.
Rg is known to you, R is known to you. You can easily calculate dr by Rg minus R. Okay, that is one way of calculation. R otherwise you can use this formula. So here GF means what factor?
Gauge factor.
Gauge factor. That is also fixed. You are fixing that value. R is fixed. L is 16 centimeter. Okay, you can see here.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is the value of L? 16
16
centimeter.
centimeter.
Now the unknown value is DL only. Okay. How to calculate that DL is the question. Or otherwise you can go for this formula for calculation of DL by L. That is all complicated a little bit. So I am giving you a simple thing. Okay, you want to calculate dr, you can calculate dr using this formula because you know what is r and rg. So simply
Yes,
you
ma'am.
put dr is equal to rg minus r, you can calculate dr and you can substitute in the formula and you can easily calculate e in split seconds. Suppose if you don't know rg, then you have to go for this formula. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
all right, dl by dl, L is given by this formula. Okay, Ym means Young's modulus. Young's modulus of the strain gauge material you have picked. I have picked some material. For that, Young's modulus is given in a tabular column. I think I have picked annual constant
Annular
10.
constant
So
10.
the Young's modulus is what? This one. Okay, 162. So that you have to use up there. And then what is Z? What is M? That is all given in formula. Z is given by 1 by 6 B into breadth into height squared. Breadth, height and all they have given directly. Okay. And what is M is WL. Okay. The applied weight is how much weight? 0.5 kilogram you have applied, so that you have to substitute. L is 16 centimeter. Okay. Either way you can do calculation of DL by L. It is your wish, but the simple way of calculating is as I am telling you, dr is equal to rg minus r. Now you are to calculate and tell me what is output voltage using this formula. Now somebody calculate and tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
E is 5 volt, half
0.
into dr by r. Somebody you use your calculator, the value
0.017.
output voltage in half bridge. In millivolt you have to tell me.
Okay.
That I will enter it here because it is asking the value in millivolt. So tell me what is the value. RG is 350 ohm. R is I think 350. So what is dr by r? You calculate and tell
Ma'am,
me somebody what is
ma'am,
millivolt.
for the
What?
RG value that we're putting, we'll put the exact value or just the round off?
This value we put
Exact, no?
350.0254.
Okay.
Then only you will be getting answer I think, or otherwise it's very close now.
Yeah, it gets approximate.
Ma'am,
So what is
dr value is coming as
Don't tell me dr
0.02.
value. I want you to tell me E value. Half into dr by r into
E.
E.
1.81.
Yes, ma'am.
In millivolt,
Yes, ma'am.
so I am putting 1.81. I have entered. Let me say I am putting submit, but it's telling me recalculate. So there is some mistake you did.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is coming.
Ma'am, submit it 2-3 times. It will tell you the correct answer on top as a pop-up.
Yeah, that I know, but you won't tell me correct answer. Why
Ma'am,
I submit?
finding DR like this is wrong, I guess, because that is only creating the problem. Rest all are constant.
Okay, then by the other formula, what is the answer? By using this one. Okay, let me check. What about the rest? Use the other way then.
Okay, ma'am.
Use this formula then. dr is equal to Gauge factor, that formula. dl by dl is equal to this formula. Use that one and tell me. Don't do short work by giving submit and getting the right answer. You have to calculate every time by using the formula. That's why I told you 2 columns you have to fill. One is calculated value and the other one is correct value. People are calculating or not?
Ma'am, what is GF?
Which one?
I'm not getting how to implement the first
GF.
formula.
GF is Gauge factor. How much you have set here? 5.5. GF is Gauge factor. 5.5 you have set. Anybody finished the calculation?
Ma'am, the DL and L, where do we get
DL and L, you should listen to me word by word. DL and L is M divided by Z into YM. YM is Young's modulus. Are you able to see this formula? Z is equal to half 1 by 62 breadth into height squared. Breadth, height and all they have directly given.
Okay, ma'am, okay.
Ma'am, output voltage is 0.18.
0. You must not have told the answer in millivolt. That's why.
Ma'am, I'm getting the answer.
Yeah, you must not have told in millivolt.
Ma'am, 0.18 is right.
0.18.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you told the answer in volt, also some other thing.
Ma'am,
That's
only
why-
0.18. Ma'am, 0.18 only.
Okay, let me see. 0.18.
Yes, ma'am, only 0.18. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it's telling correct. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So one value is already over. you make a note. Weight, how much you have put in table? Weight is 0.5 kilogram and the corresponding calculated value is how much? Calculated value is 0.18. Okay, that you have to tabulate. Now next thing is you have to change the weight. So I am changing the weight to 1 kilogram. You can see that weight is changed over here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now again you have to repeat the same procedure. So calculate the output voltage and tell me. Don't go for shortcut giving submit and getting the answer. You can do that, but try to calculate. Yeah, you people did not calculate in millivolt. You can use the original formula also that I have told you. That is possible. So we have to put here 0.5 kilogram and the voltage measured is 0.818. Okay. Next 1 kilogram. What is the answer? Any formula you can use. Okay, you will get the answer. I think you people calculate
ma'am.
different value.
0.36.
0.36. Let me check it out. Okay, it's correct. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose if you want to plot a graph means minimum 3 readings you have to take. So I am putting one more 2 kilogram. Now tell me what is the value?
0.72.
0.72.
0.72. So I am putting submit. It says correct. Now I will plot the graph. Minimum 3 readings you have to have. So what graph is plotted now? In x-axis,
Linear.
what is taken? In
Linear
x-axis, weight in kilogram is taken, and in y-axis, what parameter is taken?
Output
What
voltage.
parameter? Output voltage. So this plot you can copy and paste in the record. Okay. All right. But don't stop with 3 reading. I want you to calculate for all. Till 10 kilogram, you have to do the calculation and you have to fill this tabular column.
Ma'am, from where that graph has come, ma'am?
Plot is there, no plot option. Plot.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you have to calculate for minimum 3 readings. Then only you will get the plot. Otherwise, you will not get the plot.
Okay.
Okay. All understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now you people are not supposed to copy the same thing that your friend has made. You make your own choices. Okay. And now it's time for you to show the screen in which you have finished. Before that, I would like to add a few more points. This is all in level 1. Okay, where you are drawing the graph between what two parameter?
Voltage, output voltage and weight.
Output voltage. See again, this is level 1 where you are calculating the output voltage with respect to the weight in kilogram. Okay. Now I will go to level 2. Okay. Level 2 and all is not included in your syllabus, but still you make a note. Okay. Maybe I will ask that in university exam. Okay. Now what parameters you are going to configure? This is level 2. Okay, so you are seeing here this cantilever beam and where the weight is positioned. Now this length is actually 16 centimeter. Okay, now what you are going to do is you are going to shift this position over here. Okay, so what will happen to the strain that is subjected onto that material? You are going to observe in level 2. So position I am adjusting here. Originally L is 16 centimeter. Now I am going to change it to 10. So you can observe whether the weight is moved to a different position or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is change in position of the effect of weight. Okay. Same way you are to calculate 3 sets of readings and then you have to plot. Okay. See, please drag weight box minimum 3 times. Okay. One weight I have dragged. So 3 more I have to do. Then again I'm plotting. Height 3 times. Now it's ready. Now what are the two parameters between which the graph is being plotted here? Between what two parameters?
Position and output.
Position
Output
of
position.
the weight and the output voltage. That is all coming under level 2, which is not necessary for you as per syllabus, but still you learn it. Okay, now what will happen if you are going to level 3? Level 3, what is the effect? Tell me.
Temperature.
Temperature. So additionally, you are going to also consider temperature changes. Okay, 10 degrees C. Now the resistance value will change, Rg will change. So here also I am changing the temperature 3 times. So every time we change the temperature, there is a new value of Rg. So these are 3 levels that they have finished in virtual lab. But for you, first level alone is important and it is included in your syllabus. But maybe if I want to have some difference in question in university, then I will include these 2 levels also. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's time for you people to pick your own choices and you are to present the screen. Again, I'm telling you, in case if you're not able to present, you will be marked absent as punishment for today's lab class. Now start presenting quickly. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, don't click submit and get the answer. You calculate every time. Any formula you can use. Okay, like I told you, you can use either way. Both will give you the answer. The first time you calculated wrong. Okay. Come on, people, be ready for presentation. Either you can use this formula or you can use other formula. Anything you can use. Come on, whoever is ready. None is ready. Again, I'm giving you a clear warning in case if you're not presenting, you will be marked absent as punishment for today's
We have
lab
to do
class.
the calculations now.
I want to know that you have proceeded. Okay, who've learned.
Ma'am, can I
That's all
present?
I want. Yes, all can present. Who is ready?
Ma'am, graph. Okay.
When one is presenting, others should be patient.
Okay.
Tanishka, I did not see your screen at all. Okay, first let me stop presenting, stop share. Okay, then you present.
I'm after Tanis, can I present?
I am
Wait,
presenting,
I am
Utkarsh. Wait. I
Okay.
already
not
told
able
you.
to see Tanish's screen. Okay, let me join via my other.
I'm Tanis is presenting now.
Yeah, but I'm not able to see the screen. Wait.
Yeah. Yeah.
Next person after Tanishq.
Ma'am, I'm presenting. Somil Baldota.
Who?
Somil Baldota.
Okay. I already started presenting, or now only you are going to begin?
Ma'am, I'm going to do it now only. Ma'am, is it visible?
I don't know. It's not visible yet.
Ma'am, for all, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, I will log in with my other number. Wait. Okay, Somil, quit.
Should I stop presenting, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes.
Can I present after that?
Yeah.
Ma'am, is the screen visible?
Yeah, Ashwin's screen is visible.
And this is the setup. This
What
is the
material you have picked there?
Ma'am, I have picked up the copper. Input voltage is 5 volt. Resistance is 600 ohm. Cost factor is 2. And configuration is full bridge.
Okay, man.
And this is the graph.
Ma'am, the answer is not coming right.
What?
Ma'am, my answer is not coming right.
Which
Yes,
answer?
ma'am. Ma'am, I had a doubt. One answer was coming for 1.6 for me. But after calculating, I put 1.56. Then also it is showing incorrect.
Maybe you did some calculation mistake only. Check it again.
Ma'am, may I present?
Who wants to present?
Ma'am, may I now stop presenting? Hello? Am I audible? Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, you are audible.
Can I stop presenting now?
How do we know?
Okay.
Okay. Next, Tanve, Tanishq,
Ma'am, Rajarshi.
present. See, again, I'm telling you, don't fix on the same things that your friends are doing. You pick your own choices. In case if some answer goes wrong, you double check your calculation. Rajarshi.
Ma'am, I have selected tungsten. Input voltage 5, resistance 600, gauge factor 5.5, and half bridge opposite arms configuration.
Okay, ma.
I calculated the values for 5 kg, 6 kg, and 7 kg. Now I am plotting.
Okay, you quit Rajarshi. Others in class?
Ma'am,
Quick.
can I present Jay Agrawal?
Yeah. All those who finished presenting are free to leave. If you've understood what to do.
Okay,
Yes,
thank
ma'am. Ma'am, can you please confirm if you have marked my attendance 141?
Who is
Ma'am,
141?
I have chosen copper.
I'm Saumil Bhattacharya.
Okay, then you can go, Saumil. Okay, ma.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Agarwal, you quit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I saw your screen. You can quit.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I present?
Ma'am, can I present, ma'am?
We just or Jaypraveer.
Ravi.
Who is
Yes, ma'am.
presenting?
Man, Pijus
Ma'am,
Patha.
Jayprav. Okay. He's presenting.
We just what
Ma'am, is it
material?
correct?
Yes, it's visible. Annual constant.
Material constant and input voltage 5 and resistance 350. Cost factor 5.5.
Okay.
And I took the weight of 9 kg.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.